30 years ago, we were like missionaries, right? Trying to convert the populace that design was not this sort of superficial thing you did at the end, but it's something that you needed to do at the beginning to understand people. What we realized was that to come up with a really good idea, you need to understand the problem really deeply. The first things that you do are more evolutionary than revolutionary. Let's uncover what's going on here. Let's see opportunities that have been missed. And then from there, build something. We've been involved in some really important innovations in healthcare. So one of them that I'm most proud of is a wearable, disposable insulin pump for diabetics, especially child diabetics. But we've also done things that are kind of simple, everyday points of frustration or delight. And Proctor and Gamble said, how can we learn to integrate design in our process and innovation the way you do it? Their then CEO asked someone in his team to develop 5 new categories of product that would bring in $5 billion of new revenue without a brand extension. One of them was cleaning. So we went in the home of people and we observed how they cleaned. And when we looked at how they cleaned the mop and how long it took to clean the mop, we realized that it often took longer to clean the mop than it did to clean the floor. So we started looking at floors, and we realized that dirt in the home is mostly dust, and water does not remove dust as effectively as electrostatic action. So with that knowledge, we created the Swiffer line, which is, I think, is the biggest success story in the history of Procter and Gamble. Some of the most recent engagements that we've been involved in have been to create new financial products for an insurance company, right? New ways of learning for a university. So we embedded people as students in the university to try to figure out what that experience was like. We try to understand it from the perspective of parents and from alumni. Very often companies have very deep level of expertise in limited areas. And we bring a very broad expertise with deep expertise in different areas. If you're a cleaning company and you make detergents, you think that cleaning is all about detergents. It's not about the elimination of detergents, right? It's not about making what you do now obsolete. So one of the reasons to come outside is that we question the paradigms. So we have different locations, but we also have people from different parts of the world collaborating. It could be physical, it could be mechanical, it could be software, it could be electronics, it could be just beautiful design. They see different things, but they can work together to translate what they see into one right, compelling idea and then execute on it. We always believe that there's an opportunity lurking somewhere in there, and it's our job to ferret it out. And the best way to do it is not by imposing our own preconceptions, but rather to understand how real people think and interact with something, and then take that knowledge and see how we can extract a really important, innovative idea and then make it real.